I heard that solar power is really expensive. How could I possibly do this? I don't have lots of money. My friend checked out an installer, and wow, it was expensive. I've never heard of a kit before. I'm not very mechanical. Maybe I could get an electrician or handyman to help me. I enjoy being comfortable when I get home from work. Maybe the bigger system would be better for me. I still don't know much about it. Okay. If they go on my roof, I need to make sure I have a sunny spot with no shade. I get it. The box has everything I need. I'm still not going up on that roof. I like the idea that it has batteries. I hate blackouts. Just when you get to the good part of a show. Bam! The TV goes out. I'll find a place for those batteries. Don't get technical on me. I want to know that when I turn on the internet or my TV, it goes on. I'm glad there is a good warranty. If parts fail, I just ask for a replacement part. I have my own house. I can get finance from the bank. It is cool that the payments are almost the same as the electric bill. I just pay the bank instead of the electric company. In a few years, the system is mine. And the power is free. The sales rep gave me some suggestions about installers. I am glad. I want to do my part for the environment. But I am still not going up on that roof.